Can you do my lashes?
Yeah.
Really?
Don't work at Mac, but I'll be the bitch face. In a foreign car, like, do you wanna race? I smoke OG, you.
So these ones here are called Bliss.
She better put that on my lids.
These are the simplest lashes out of all 5 lashes that I sell, because they don't have a lot of volume and they're not long, but you still get the same effect as if they were long lashes.
So Bliss is the original lashes that you sold, correctly?
Yeah,
Correctly.
these are these are the very, like, it still has volume to them, but they're very simple and natural, because I have a lot of customers that they prefer like shorter lashes. They don't like long ones. So when you get the actual lashes, take them out with tweezers on the ends, because they're very like delicate. And to avoid like your eyes getting irritated or like just the ends poking your inner corner, I clip them on both ends, because that really be bothering me.
Yeah, actually, yeah. I didn't know that.
And then you could get like a Q-tip or
Rat tooth comb.
yeah, anything with like a end on it, and you use that to get the glue out of the bottle.
So you don't put a lot on there.
Yeah.
So you just put the glue on the rat tooth comb just a little bit. Y'all see
Yeah.
that little? Can you see? Yeah, it's just like right there.
You just spread it across the lash strip.
I'm gonna come closer so y'all see you putting it on my face.
'Cause the less glue you put on these, the better they'll look. Cause when you put a lot of lash glue on the on here, it starts to smudge when you put it on your lash line.
And we don't want that.
Yeah.
Don't look tacky. Y'all see this Fenty? And then I'm about to have lashes. About to be pop it.
That should be good.
You see how she takes her time and smooths it on? Don't rush.
And then I just put it on, but sometimes I use the tweezers for like the inner corners if I have nails on, 'cause I'd be struggling. But
I'm nervous. You want my eyes open or closed?
close.
I'm not nervous because I trust you. I'm just nervous because I'm a crackhead, you know? My eyes be twitching.
Make sure you put it as close to your lash line as possible. If you put it too high up, it'll definitely show like they'll see in between the lashes.
And we don't want that.
And some people like to put eyeliner on to cover it, but with my lashes you won't even need that. Like
This the premium stuff.
You're right. The only thing I would say is to put mascara, which is what I'm about to do now, on like your actual lashes. You could look up, because sometimes when I put foundation on, the foundation gets on my lashes, and then you could see it.
Do y'all see this? Okay, no lash, hold up. No lash, just Fenty. Lash with Fenty, what? Like, lashes really make you a brand new bitch. Like, like this side's popping, and this side's just, hey, this side's like, bam, I'm that bitch.
And this is like what I'm trying to promote. I don't want people to think they have to be like with a whole beat face. You don't have to do that. You could simply just wear lashes and look like you have a beat face on.
She's promoting feeling beautiful with less, as y'all should. She's good, y'all. Book her. Book her. She comes to colleges if you pay for her ticket. You have a website, right?
Yes. It's blisscosmetics.co, just .co.
And y'all know that will be linked in the bio below. So check that out, her whole website. And also she has a Bliss Instagram, so that will be linked in the bio below. Bio comments? No, it's a bio. See, she's off camera right now, but don't just put it on after you put the glue on. Blow or like let it dry off a little.
Just go like that, because it'll still like be liquidy.
You want it a little tacky, just a little bit. But you don't want it runny, because then your eye is gonna get messed up.
And the good thing about this glue is, like, if you just rub it in your fingers, it rolls up into like solid, so it doesn't get like all gooey in your fingers and stuff.
And honestly, these feel mad natural.
Yeah.
Usually
like,
with fake
it's not
ones,
heavy.
Yeah, with fake ones, I usually feel like there's like something on there. But y'all see this? I don't even feel like the lashes are on me right now. It feels natural. My eyes are watering up because I'm a baby and I get nervous. But y'all see these? And they're not even like her most like out there ones, but you can tell my face changed just through lashes. That's amazing. Wow. Continue on with the inspiration.
So like when I was I think I was probably about in elementary, middle school, I would get bullied because of like my face, my teeth. I used to have a gap before like I got braces and stuff. So people would just find little things to pick on me about, and it made me like not be as confident with my like natural beauty. So because of that, I guess that's what made me want to get into like the makeup industry as well, because a lot of girls out here are insecure with themselves, which is why they like to cake on makeup. They like to use all these different like surgeries, all these different things to amp and enhance themselves when they don't even need that. They could just be natural, wear lashes, and still be pretty. Like they don't need to listen to all the hype and like all the negative people in like their face, because who does that?
And that's so inspirational. Like I don't understand why children are so evil.
Yeah.
But some kids are mad evil, and you are extremely beautiful. So they were just hating. Like they were just hating. Even if you had a gap, you were still stunting on them. I don't even care. That was just I hate bullies. I hate bullies. Yeah. Tell them about the giveaway you were telling me about.
So I have a giveaway called the Big Bliss giveaway. It's gonna give you the option to have all 5 lashes plus the palette. It'll also include like eyeshadow brushes and a photo shoot that I'm gonna put together. So that's
over $100 worth of stuff that you getting for free.
Yeah.
For free. Go ahead and enter in that right now. Like right now. Like click the link right now.
And it's on my Instagram page. All you have to do is like follow the instructions that's on the actual promotion, and it ends April 30th.
Y'all better go out and get it. It's almost over.
Right.
Well, thank you so much for coming on with me and doing my lashes. Look at them. And I really hope that you get everything you want out of this world, because you deserve it. Like you about to blow up. Yeah, okay, yeah. All right. Honey bun out. Oh, no problem. Honey bun out. Bye, y'all.